Gonna start this video out finishing up Chow's overs. Too small? Oh no. Well, it's better to be too small. That's what she said.
We put it on body kit today, okay boys?
Body kit's going on. That focus was fail. Epic fail. Epic fail. Was that it?
Yeah.
Is that the right size?
I don't know.
Chow fails at rivets for some reason.
I do feel it.
So we're gonna watch this and we're all gonna make fun of him if he can't get it on the first try.
Oh, also I was thinking.
Go back in, yeah. Now do it again. Like you got to get it to squeeze.
Squeeze.
Is it hard now? Like, can you pull the tool off without the rivet popping out?
Yeah, let it go.
Yeah, let it go all the way. Now pull it off, all the way. Yep. Now put it back on, and then do that again. You're gonna do that process over and over with this junky ass Harbor Freight one. Otherwise, it doesn't grip the rivet for some strange reason. It's super annoying. You have to literally pull it off every time.
Why your weight's not right either, dude?
I don't know. I mean, that's how I do it, and it works. I'm a 2-pump every time, dude. That's what she said too. Here, let me see it. Let me experiment with this fucking thing. It's recording. 2 pumps. That's all. That's the trick. You gotta squeeze it, you feel it grab the rivet, open it, pull it off, reset, second pump grabs it every time.
Alright, good start, boy, good start.
You guys are seriously playing right now. I put this rack up for sale and like 10 people hit me up about it and nobody wanted it. Like everyone was like, dude, I got a 14, I need it. Dude, I got a Project 14, I need it. And then I'm like, yeah, I still got it. Never hear anything back from them. It's literally a living meme, like straight up. Ooh, someone's ripping on a chainsaw next door. Nice. With that Harbor Freight $5 rivet tool. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. While Chow is in there getting the rest of the rivets and the over fenders, I just want to give a huge shout out to our Mixer channel. We've already built up a really strong, really positive community in like a couple of days. I got to give a huge shout out to Pache and Sloth OG Gaming for donating us a copy of Fortune Island on Forza Horizon 4 to give away to one of you guys for free. So follow me on Mixer. I'll have a link in the description and I will be giving away a copy of Fortune Island on Forza Horizon 4. 100% free. I'm gonna be doing a live drawing on Mixer. Shout out our moderators. We got Zeus X Goliath and we got Chaotic Danny. So yeah, click the link in the description. Follow me on Mixer. Make sure you're watching the streams and I will be giving away a free copy, 100% free copy of Fortune Island on Forza Horizon 4 because we get down, we throw huge meets, the lobbies are always joinable, we get down, we throw tandem trains, we cruise, we do drag, we do all of it. Forza Horizon 4, sometimes Forza Motorsport 7, so check that out. I think we had a couple of RC car nerds in the comments. I am also an RC car nerd. This is my little setup here. Shout out to Kong RC in Linwood, Washington. He absolutely killed it on my RC car. Got that custom Kong wing on there. Yeah, so this is like my little setup here. It's got these like ball and socket things. I'm not gonna pop it all the way on, but I'll kind of rest it down so you get the idea. It's pretty sick. Kong RC, Linwood, Washington. He absolutely kills it. Follow him on Instagram and shoot him a DM if you have any RC car questions. Like I said, they pay super close attention to detail. Like they literally half chop my bumper and like look at the rivets on the windows. Like they absolutely slay it at Kong RC. So huge shout out to Kong RC and huge shout out to all my RC nerds in the comments. But anyway, back to Chow's giant real-life RC car. That side's all done. Got to get a couple more on this side, and then the overs are fully on, and then skirts and bumpers. Dude, this body kit is gonna look so good with this fitment, because this fitment goes hard. You actually, like, shout out Andrew Maurer, but this looks like Andrew Maurer's fitment. Not with these ugly-ass wheels, though. His fitment is shout out Andrew, homie from Florida. This is gonna be the fun part of fitting the skirts because for some reason, the skirts never quite fit just right. You're telling me you're all the way on the back?
Yeah.
Because it's an inch off in the front.
So pretty much you have to cut out the back so it would just move everywhere.
Yeah, we have to cut literally this whole edge off the skirt here. You know what the sad thing is? I think these are the exact same skirts on my Pro-Am car.
Oh, I know.
Exact same ones.
It's this.
Can we get an L in the chat for Chow's lungs right now?
What?
I said, can we get an L in the chat for Chow's lungs right now?
Yeah, no problem. Lungs are meant
Lungs are overrated, dude. Who needs lungs?
Exactly.
Chow. I have to put this in there too, because it's like part of this process and I'm scared, dude. Chow's lungs are gonna be shot.
Get high fiberglass, okay?
Yeah, Chow smokes fiberglass, I smoke weed. Oh my god, guys. We were supposed to be putting this kit on today. And Shambles, shout out our Shambles tee, link in the description. But this is why we have a Shambles tee. We literally have 2 passenger side skirts. What the heck? And whose ugly ass piece of shit BMW is this, dude? I mean, at least that don't look too bad. The wheels, dude. The fitment goes hard with this kit on, dude. Oh yeah, I would literally keep those Steelies, dude, forever. Just repaint them black, like make them look good.
Oh god.
You look like a Volvo 240. Honestly, it really doesn't look that bad.
Oh, woo!
All right, thumbnail, Chow. Trap out with the front wheel. Cover the front wheel.
Cover fucking shot.
Yeah, shut that. All right, this is our thumbnail process. You guys are gonna see it live. So we're gonna make it look better than it is in real life. But I mean, you guys just saw it live, like, yeah. Cover the ugly wheel and give me some classic. Yeah, there you go. That's some classic Chow shit right there. Nice. I mean, for how shamble this really is, it kind of looks good. I guess that's what a $300 body kit will do to any S chassis, really. Is that it? That was quick. Dude, Chow. Sometimes he's killing it with that tool. Sometimes not. Not so much. What now?
Let's go. This is good.
Yeah. All right, so you guys are seeing this process live. All right, let me play with the ISO so it's a little bit. I like a bright thumbnail to work with. Yeah, dude, give me like 5 different poses.
Yeah, I don't know poses, dude. I should just be like.
You look hella JDM. Like we look like we're in some shop in Japan right now. We're at Daigo Saito's actual shop.
Why is this not going?
I don't know, is the hook on the other side a little bit? Oh my god, there was painter's tape blocking it. I was like, yeah, why is the hood so jacked up? There we go. Yeah, all right, switch it up. Oh my god, with the cigarette pose. Oh, let me go back to auto. I'm failing this shot, guys. Okay.
Is that it?
Yep, we're back on auto. I'm leaving that all in too. It's really funny to watch the shambles. Yeah, you line it up and I'm looking at. Yeah, you're gonna have to trim the lip off of this.
No, we had the fucking the bash bar is fucking it.
Oh, is the bash bar too deep?
Like you see, it's gotta go right on the green, right? Ready? You see the bash bar?
Oh yeah, it's like hitting the license plate area. I don't think the camera can see that, but this has a indentation where the license plate is supposed to go, and the bash bar is hitting the very top crease.
Oh yeah, technically speaking, let's just remove that, yeah.
Yeah, you can just chop it out. Damn, look at that bash bar, dude. Street faction. Damn, Chow, I didn't know you were 85 years old with that gray hair. Jeez.
Bro, you got cocaine.
Your face is literally white. Dye my hair white? No, please don't dye your hair white. All right, there it is. Chow's full body kit, except the driver's side skirt